Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to a new video on Ethena, or ENA. That's the name of the token. Wanted to do a full video on that. Wanted to give you my thoughts on the situation right now, which is obviously, yesterday after I made the video, there still was quite some momentum. And what I told you, for example, is that if we break above 105 right here, we can actually rally. In the end, we got some bullish momentum, but it's minuscule, right? It was like 10% maybe. Or wasn't even 10%. It looks like less. No, it was like 8%. So we got like an 8% move off of that break retest. But in the end, it was nothing. All right, you can see that this level up here, for example, at 1.15 provided too much resistance. And the market structure for Ethena right now is quite bearish. All right, you could argue if you look at the EMAs, for example, that we are still, and also if you look at this strong support we have at, well, what is this? Like 85 cents. If you look at that, then you could argue that, all right, well, we actually still have a strong support. So we are not, and we're holding that. So this is a bearish structure, but that doesn't mean we have to be bearish. And I agree with that. However, look, I think Ethena fundamentally has a lot of potential, and it will definitely still rally at some point of time. However, the market circumstances right now with a bullish Bitcoin overall, but also a Bitcoin that's respecting resistance, while the Bitcoin dominance is going up, that's not the ideal market for altcoins, and also not for new launches. All right, so right now, Ethena is also getting towards a bit of a more fair market cap, I think, at 1.35 billion. But no, I mean, the main thing is technically right now we're bearish. The market circumstances are not ideal, so in my eyes, the best way to go about this is to assume that we will be bearish, but keep your eyes on those bullish breakouts, all right? So right now, for example, and I will keep my eyes on this as well, right? So don't worry. But right now, the main resistance level, I would say, if you look at the trend line, if you look at the EMAs right here, the 50 EMA, which we're also respecting a bit, so that's another confirmation that we are technically a bit more bearish. But $1 is also there, big psychological level. So if we do get a breakout above that level, let's say on the 30-minute or 1 hour time frame, if we do get a breakout above that and we actually can get a retest, we can rally, all right, back up to 1.15, second target 1.25/1.3. That's all possible. However, at this point of time, given the technicals, given the momentum, which for Ethena is also not moving up anymore, it's also not moving down, but it's neutral, so there's no indication that we are gaining a lot of momentum. So at this point of time, it's just wiser to assume that we will remain technically bearish. All right, so that's what I expect. I mean, right now, like I said, we're at a strong support here between 85 and 90 cents, historically quite strong. So we might actually spike up to $1 and $1.05, but I don't expect us to break above that. I think it's more likely that we'll get another bearish breakout at some point of time, and that will start dropping down towards our next support level at 75 cents. And from there, the same goes, all right? Again, that's a strong support level, but what you should expect, I think, is that we will find some support there, but ultimately drop down lower towards 60 cents, for example. And then at some point of time, and that's absolutely crucial, at some point of time, we'll get a bullish breakout. And I will do my best to keep you updated on that, but I probably cannot make a video that quickly on that. So wait for that, all right? Most likely direction is just that we'll slowly drop down, find support at support levels, get a bearish breakout, slowly drop down, find support, etc. That's what you should expect, but keep your eyes on the closest strong resistance level. So right now that's $1. If we drop down to 75 cents, that would be 90 cents probably, or like 87 or something to break. Keep your eyes on those, because eventually we will break out, but for now it still seems most likely that we will drop down lower. So those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.